Welcome to the Oracle Database Cloud for DBAs course, where you will learn how to manage Oracle VM databases in Oracle Cloud. My name is Amit Baraka, and I will be leading you through the course. By the end of this course, you will be able to perform the following skills: provision VMDB systems in Oracle Cloud, manage Oracle databases in DB systems, and migrate on-prem Oracle databases to DB systems. This course covers all the topics included in managing Oracle databases in DB systems, such as the following: provisioning databases, updating and patching DB systems, upgrading databases, backup and recovery, managing data guard, migrating databases to the cloud, and many more. Not only the course covers the concepts of its topics, you will also practice them, and all the practices are supported by videos that guide you on how to perform the practices. The course assumes that the audience has basic knowledge of managing Oracle databases on Linux operating systems. If you have never worked with Oracle databases on Linux, then this course might not fulfill your needs. Feel free to look into the course description, and I look forward to seeing you in the course.